Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you DIY backyard ideas to inspire you. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. One of my favorite ways to relax has always been hanging out in the backyard with friends. Being close to nature is important to me and does wonders at bringing peace in my life. If you too are always on the hunt for new ways to spruce up your backyard oasis, you're going to love this list of DIY backyard ideas. Okay, here are 10 awesome DIY backyard ideas to inspire you. Number 1. DIY backyard fire pit. Enjoy warm summer nights spent around a backyard fire pit. To build your own, you'll need inexpensive materials including angled pavers and gravel for the base. This easy DIY outdoor project can be completed in a weekend, and your family can enjoy bonfires for years to come. Number 2. A relaxing hammock nook. You don't have to go far to enjoy a quiet sanctuary. You can create your own little getaway right in your backyard. Set up a hammock and add pillows, string lighting and trees, blankets, and even a plate of food for when you get hungry to create a place you can quickly sneak away to enjoy some quiet time. Number 3. Build a DIY deck or patio. If you're not sure where to begin with your backyard remodel, why not start with a deck or patio? This feature will instantly give your yard major appeal, and it adds resale value to your home. Lay down a concrete patio with this easy DIY project or build a wooden deck that you can adorn with cute chairs. Number 4. Swinging seat. Swinging in the gentle breeze is an awesome way to spend a summer day. You can get a higher degree of relaxation from a swing seat than a normal bench. This is because the swinging action of a swing seat provides a rocking sensation that a bench cannot provide. Number 5. DIY your outdoor kitchen. Outdoor kitchens might be all the rage, but you can easily create your own without going to town. A tabletop barbecue atop a sturdy garden table gets you halfway there. Number 6. Build a grill gazebo. Although gazebos vary in style, building one follows the same basic steps. Consult your plans to be sure of exact steps in building your gazebo. Build your own grill gazebo with one of these designs. Number 7. Hang outdoor curtains. If you want some more privacy but don't want to lose any of that precious natural light, then a set of light-filtering outdoor curtains is the way to go. Hanging curtains is an inexpensive and easy way to create a temporary wall. Number 8. Transform your space with lights. Outdoor lights offer a quick, simple and cheap way to bring a pretty glow to a patio and beyond, and there are so many styles available. Solar garden lights are popular, or you can opt for outdoor battery lights, which include string lights and lanterns. If you're using fairy lights or festoon lights, you can style them through trees or shrub branches, attach them to fences and furniture, or suspend them from canes stuck into the ground. always looks wonderful and creates a perfect setting for alfresco dining. Number 9. Plant a garden. Planting a backyard garden is an excellent way to ensure that the bees and other beneficial pollinating insects survive in your area. Although many common garden vegetables, such as cucumber and squash, have flowers that attract bees, planting flowers and herbs in your backyard garden will make them even happier. Number 10. Simple outdoor bench. This solid DIY bench is sure to be loved by all outdoor lovers and is super quick and easy to build. The design of the bench must fit to some extent the design of your garden, especially if you have other garden furniture. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you in the next videos.